Hope you guys doing well. In this lecture we will learn about the form building. Let me explain you forms, and then our code will goes. This page explains the basics of the creating HTML forms. HTML enables us to create forms. This is where our websites can become more than just a nice advertising brochure. Forms allow us to build more dynamic websites that allow our users to interact with it. An HTML form is made up of any number of form elements. These elements enable the user to do things such as enter information or making a selection for the represent options. In HTML, a form define using the form tag like I have written here. This is the most commonly used tag within HTML, form tag input. It allows you to specify various types of user input fields such as text, radio buttons, checkboxes, etc. So text fields are used for when you want to type short amount of text into the form. For example, first name and then input, and the name should be first name, second name, this first name, and you can enter your first name here. You can use second name here. Radio buttons. Radio buttons are used for when you want to use to select only one option for a predetermined determined set of options, like input type should be radio, and the name should be lunch, suppose, and value should be pasta. Input radio, and the name should be the lunch, because once you get data from a form, you can name it with one. Like if you're using lunch, then you again use in your second value lunch, so it will reminds it will take the information for once from here or here, not for the both. So I'm gonna, once you click this one, you can click this one. Once you click this, it will automatically empty. For example, I'm gonna yes, yes, I'm gonna write here no, no. If you want to select one thing at one time, so you need to add a name like each radio buttons have the one single name. If you are getting a value yes or no, for example, I will questioning you, um, you had your lunch, you will ask me yes or no, uh, not both. That's why we are using the same name of each radio button. So I'm gonna reload this yes or no, yes or no. Now I'm gonna tell you that how multiple values you can get using a form. So input checkbox, name it technology, and value should be HTML, and then I allow HTML. Checkbox type should be same, name should be same, and then CSS and CSS. If you want to get multiple names, multiple answers, like 4 options, you can select multiple, so you need to add radio buttons. You can check this one, you can also check this one. In the radio button cases, we can select one single value, but in the checkboxes case we can select multiple values in one time. And then now I'm gonna teach you that how the drop down list works. So select name should be something, we don't need an ID because option Sydney. For example, if someone questioning you where do you live, you can select a single option. Drawn, and then Chrome level. Queenstown. So for example, you can question your user like which state you are living or which country you are living. You can list all the countries here and then select one country, or if you need to get a state, you need to list here all the states, and then user can easily select any state, one single option, uh, with from the list of your options. So again, next if you want to get any quote like a message, I mean um, multi content, uh, or user maybe describe some uh, issue to you, you need to use text area text area. This is a text area. You can get a paragraph from your user. So these are two methods you can submit your form, like for example button type text, type submit form. You can add a get method, you can add a post method. Once you're creating a dynamic form, you need this these attributes in your form to get or post your form. For example, you may have noticed the above example use the method of attribute. This attribute specify the HTTP method to use when the form is submitted. Uh, Possible values are get, the form data is appended to the URL when submit. In the get case, this means you can actually see the form variables in your browser web bar address. When the form is submitted, this can be handy for non-sensitive data such as a search engine results page. It also allows you to bookmark the page and even link it from another page. And the next thing, our post method. This form data is not appended to URL. If any user want a secret information like login, like sign up information, you need to add a post method, and it will not append his data into your URL. It will directly send you a request or session or something, whatever you are using to make your form dynamic. So in our next tutorial I will um, describe the how tables are displayed, and how tables are works, and how we can style those tables. So this is for now. Hope you guys enjoy my tutorials, uh, and if you want to get more videos, you need to subscribe my channel and press the bell icons to get the latest videos from my channels. This is for now, so hope you guys see in my next tutorial.